1. It takes a lot of effort to make something look effortless. What looks smooth on the surface is backed by hard work behind the scenes. 2. When you're missing the mark, sometimes the key is to aim higher, not harder. A small shift in approach can lead to hitting the target. 3. Managers give orders, leaders guide and empower. True leadership is about helping others climb to the top with you. 4. Tackling big goals in smaller steps makes progress achievable. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress toward your goal. 5. Obstacles are inevitable, but they can either be roadblocks or opportunities to learn. Professionals grow through challenges, turning them into lessons. 6. Managing is like steering a ship, but leadership shines like a lighthouse. Leadership is about guiding direction, not control. 7. Before writing, your thoughts may feel scattered and unclear. After writing, clarity emerges, and you can see the bigger picture. 8. A reactive mindset hinders deeper understanding. Listen to understand and you'll unlock new insights. Ideas are often unclear in our minds. Writing helps refine and bring clarity to your thoughts. 10. The short-term pain of discipline is nothing compared to the long-term pain of regret. Choose discipline now to avoid regret later. Thank you.